good sales conversation is actually mostly about just having a very honest and open conversation. And we're not used to that because it's kind of taboo to tell people the truth, to tell people what you think, because we're used to just pleasing everybody, telling them that everything is good. But telling them that everything is good is not going to solve their problem. They're on the call there to solve a problem. And most people are afraid of facing challenges and making changes and making an investment. But if they keep doing the same thing they have been doing all the time, they're going to get the same result, and then they're not going to have their problem solved. So we have to call that out and make them aware of that. So if you have a really good product or service that it can truly help people and solve the problem that they have, then it's in their best interest to call it out and tell them, hey, if you keep doing what you're doing right now, you're going to get the same result that you've been getting all the time. And it's only if you step out of your comfort zone, if you do something different, something that is uncomfortable, like for instance investing in a program, that's when you can grow. That's the only way you can get a different result. Give me a like, follow, and subscribe.